In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply supplier credit in QuickBooks. The process is quick and easy, and within the next 5 minutes, you'll have all the knowledge you need to efficiently manage your supplier credits directly in QuickBooks. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a seasoned accountant, understanding how to apply supplier credits can significantly streamline your financial handling and ensure you're always in control of your expenses. Let's jump right in. First, the initial step is to open your QuickBooks account. You'll want to make sure you have your login credentials ready. You'll notice the sign in button prominently displayed once the QuickBooks homepage loads. Give that a click and it's time to log in. If you're anything like me, you've got these details firmly in memory, but if not, a quick password manager can be really handy here. Next, you'll see a few options depending on the kinds of products and services you use, but today we're interested in QuickBooks Online. Selecting QuickBooks Online will lead you to a page where you can enter your credentials. Type them in and hit continue. This should lead you straight into your main dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, we're going to move forward by locating and selecting the plus new button. You'll find this option in the upper corner of the interface. Clicking here introduces you to a drop down of tasks you might want to undertake, but today our focus is on handling vendor credits. Within the drop down list, look for and select vendor credit. By selecting this, it's going to take you to a form where you need to input details regarding the credit you're receiving from your supplier or vendor. You'll see a drop-down menu to choose the relevant supplier or vendor. Make sure you select the correct one here, as this ensures the credit is applied to the right account. After selecting the appropriate supplier or vendor, it's time to delve into the details. You'll need to enter the category or item details that the credit pertains to. Accurately entering these details ensures that your accounts reflect the correct financial picture. Next, make sure to populate essential fields like the date of the credit and the amount. Double check everything to ensure you haven't missed any relevant details. This is crucial for maintaining precise records. Finally, after verifying all the information, it's time to save your work. Look for the options to save and close. Clicking this will ensure all your input is stored and you can safely exit knowing everything has been correctly recorded. And there you have it, you've successfully applied supplier credit in QuickBooks. By following these straightforward steps, you'll manage your credits efficiently, keeping your accounts up to date with minimal hassle and maximum accuracy. Thanks for watching and make sure to check out our other tutorials to master more QuickBooks skills.